Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that has gone by the wayside pretty much. That's calculators. Now you're all going to say, well, I got a calculator on my cell phone. I got a calculator on my computer. Yeah, but what happens when the power's out? And it's been out for a while. Your cell phone, I can charge it with solar power and stuff like that. But if it's something major that has happened and you're reduced back to trying to do things on paper, calculator will come in handy. Now, when I was growing up, my mom had one of those mechanical calculator things where you punch in the numbers and you grab the handle and had the printer paper on it, go rotate a little bit to the next number, and so you could add and subtract. And that's how she did her taxes for years. Well, and then they came up with the electronic ones. She still kept the paper because she liked the paper trail. Well, I didn't realize that when she had thrown out that old mechanical one, because that was still cool. It worked great. It was just that you had to, it's like the mechanical typewriters. You had to physically work it to make it work. If you can find one of those at an estate sale, a thrift shop or something, or someplace like that, get it. Because if the power is out and for whatever reason, and you can't charge your phone and your computer's not working, and you need to figure out, how many feet of something you need to do, you get one of those and you can do stuff on it. All right. So as always, stay happy. Oh, well, before I do that, no, actually, yeah, I'm going to do that first. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, skills. Add more skills. Beef up your arithmetic skills. But one thing I wanted to do before I leave, up here in this corner up here, I'm going to put a video up here you should be interested in. I'll put a playlist down over here. I'll put another playlist over here that you'll find interesting, and I'll put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound, my gardening and homesteading channel up here.